Welcome, in front of me I have Panasonic TV, and today I'll show you how we can open browser. So we have to go for the home button on your remote control, then go for the apps, click OK, and here you can find the browser on the right side, click OK to enter, and as you can see, here we are. You are navigating with arrows, like that. If you want to enter for the address, you have to click OK, and in the keyboard it's the same, so we are basically navigating with arrows, and if you want to input the address, you have to click just OK. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.